Hey iPhone enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a quick and handy tutorial for you. I'm going to show you how to save a live photo as a video on your iPhone. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and head to the home screen. Now, tap on the Photos app to open your photo gallery. In your Photos app, scroll through your library and select the live photo you want to save as a video. Once you've chosen your live photo, tap on it to open it in full screen. Now, look for the three dots in the top right corner. Here you'll see various options. Look for an option called Save as Video. Tap Save as Video, and your live photo will be converted into a video. You've just learned how to save a live photo as a video on your iPhone. It's a quick and simple process, perfect for sharing your favorite moments with friends and family. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more awesome iPhone tutorials.